Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the following error on your Oppo or Realme phones. So when you try to disable your lock screen, you're going to see this error. I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Let me show you again. There you can see lock screen password cannot be disabled. So guys, there's a simple way to fix this. I'm going to show you right now. Guys, simply open your settings and go to additional settings. And here find safety and privacy. Scroll down and find the clear credentials. Tap on it. Remove all contents. Tap OK. And you're going to see this message here. Just accept it. And now let's try disabling our lock screen. And there you go. That's it guys. That's how you can fix the error. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.